Hey y'all, it's Courtney, and I'm back with a little video here. I just wanted to get on here and share my little piece of nature with you guys. I know that a lot of us are stuck inside right now, and there's not really a whole lot of nature to enjoy. So yeah, I just started hearing the frogs about a night or two ago. And so I figured that this would be an awesome ASMR video because, as I said, everybody's stuck inside. So it's just starting to rain, so maybe you'll even be able to hear that. Hopefully my kids aren't yelling too loud in the background to make this not an ASMR video anymore. Enjoy, guys. Alright, y'all, starting to rain pretty hard, so I'm going to cut this short. I hope y'all are safe, happy, healthy, and yeah, just safe and sound. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye guys.